Hey everyone, adding text is one of the most important parts of designing in Canva. Whether you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, presentation, flyer, social media post, or poster, Canva gives you plenty of tools to make your text stand out. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to add and customize text in Canva step by step. So let's get started. First, sign into Canva and open an existing design or create a new one. Once the editor loads, you're ready to start adding text to your project. Next, click the Text tab from the left sidebar. Here you'll find options to add a heading, a subheading, body text, or choose from Canva's ready-made text combinations. Yeah, these presets can save a lot of time when you're designing. Click the type of text you want to add, then select the text box on your design and start typing. You can replace the placeholder text with your own title, description, or any message you want. Now use the toolbar above the editor to change the font size, text color, alignment, spacing, and other formatting options. You can also make your text bold, italic, or add effects like shadows, outlines, and curves depending on your design. After customizing your text, simply drag the text box anywhere on the canvas. You can also resize it using the corner handles until it fits perfectly within your layout. Once your text looks the way you want, click Share, then choose Download to save your design. You can also share it directly with others using Canva's built-in sharing options, and that's how to add text in Canva. With the right fonts, colors, and formatting, you can make your designs look more professional and much more engaging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.